In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make sure that loud students are paying attention in class. But this happens a lot. And you know, it's not always bad intentions, but sometimes students have a difficulty focusing on what's going on in class, especially if they're in the back, if they're a bit tired, their friends are with them, and they feel like chit-chatting a little bit, they're not really aware that they're doing it. And I feel like the response that most teachers have is that they just start raising their voice. They speak louder, like, you know, trying to grab these students' attention. And I feel like that really doesn't work. It actually amplifies the problem. What I usually do is I actually start speaking slowly, lower my voice, make shorter sentences, use a lot of blanks in between sentences, or I would just stop talking completely, not using any words and just using body language to explain the movements. Now, if you speak louder, the student in the back has even a stronger incentive to keep talking, because you give them more information that they can kind of, in a way, absorb. They feel like they're taking the class properly. They're absorbing whatever you're saying in between their conversation. But if you stop talking completely, then what happens is that they notice that something is changing. There's an energy change in the room, and then they kind of lift up their head and try to look at what's going on exactly, and they have to look at you because they don't get that verbal cue anymore. They have to look at you if they want to pick up anything. So in my mind, the students most of the time don't want to ruin your class. They still want to be able to pick up the choreography or whatever you're teaching them. It's just that sometimes their attention span is very short. So lower your voice or stop speaking, and they will pay attention again.